is me today. And guys, we are officially today playing Minecraft. So Minecraft is officially today a game before we play Roblox. So we're now Minecraft live today. So thank you for 50k subscribers. Now I'll comment nice in your videos. Start playing with Sabi today. Sabi, say hello to the vlog. Pakita mo yung face mo. My guys, so.
It's lang.
So guys, I'm playing today.
Hi.
That's it.
I'm a friend, Andre.
Yeah, he's my friend.
Andre.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. So let's go play right now Minecraft with Sabi. Officially, I'm not old. So guys, what is this? Oh, what is this? Magoy.
What does this do?
But today, sabihin mo Sabi, Caleb is not it here, guys. Yeah, Caleb is not here. Critic fan. Yes, Caleb. Do you know I'm taller than Caleb? Yeah, I am.
Always sleeping, guys. That's He's always sleeping.
Yeah, he's not even calling all day.
Oh my god. He is calling today.
Show pa show. Showtime. Oy. Wow! He. So guys, in Minecraft right now.
Andre is friend.
And this is my live stream. Sabihan live stream ko to Live stream ko to. Live stream ko to live. Okay guys, we're live today. Dati ilagay ng mga harap ko dyan. Pahingaw saan. Frankie.
Nagawin ang lahat para maiwato ang sinasabi niyang ginawang kamalian. Kaya sa pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, isiniwalat niya ang kanyang nalalaman tungkol sa pamumumisyon sa mga flood control projects at kanyang isinangkot sa dating Senate President Jesus Rodriguez, mga dating Senador Bong Revilla at Nancy Binay at si Congressman at dating House Appropriations Committee Chairman Zaldico. Si Kong Zaldico raw tumawag sa kanya mismo para magtanong tungkol kay dating Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara.
Okay, ang layo na ang bahay ko. Layo. Sobrang layo. Pero ba tayo lagay ng saan? I'm gonna show you. I was done. Okay guys, enough for Minecraft today. Let's YouTube. Okay guys, let's go. YouTube. Let's go YouTube.
Andre, ang pangit ng avatar mo.
Ever noticed the behind the scenes video of K-pop demon hunters? They'll beat it
That's Roblox.
by single line. But something seems off.
Sa Roblox.
What do you think? Think it's real? Share it? Think not?
Asan mapangit sa Roblox? Pag sinabi mo yun, bababa ko ito. Pag sinabi mo yun, bababa ko yun.
Suggest AI. The crew adjusts Zoe's belt unusually. Notice anything else? Comment below. Ever notice the behind-the-scenes video of K-pop demon hunters? Mira talking to the...
Sinong planet?
Director, Zoe's belt being adjusted, romance practicing lines, and other cast chatting. But something seems off. Before I tell you the details, what do you think? Think it's real? Share it? Think not? Hit like and subscribe. Look closely. Mira's hair isn't red. Gino is staring at a plan, and Rumi isn't looking at the director. The clue that suggests AI. The crew adjusts Zoe's belt unusually. Notice anything else? Comment below. Ever notice the behind-the-scenes video of K-pop demon hunters? Mira talking to the director, Zoe's belt being adjusted, romance practicing lines, and other cast chatting. But something seems off. Before I tell you the details, what do you think? Think it's real? Share it? Think not? Hit like and subscribe. Look closely. Mira's hair isn't red. Gino is staring at a plan, and Rumi isn't looking at the director. The clue that suggests AI. The crew adjusts Zoe's belt unusually.
We're using Simply Drop. This is Simply Drop. And it's for whale. And oh, it's for the only way. I think it's very, very extraordinary.
Girl Garden. 99 nights.
You say you love me, I say you crazy when I'm with more than friends. You love my love, but more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. You're the only love, sorry, that's it. Always gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that make me crazy. You really love it. You say you love me, I say you crazy when I'm with more than
Performance sa public service. 2024, tumawa naman daw kay Bernardo si Mary Deb at Music Friday Kulay Rock na dating nagtrabaho sa mga senador, kabilang si dating senador Pangasinan.
Yusek Golaybar personally called me for a meeting to discuss about program appropriations, supposedly for the
See for
office of
today.
executive secretary.
Today's really. And wow! Look at beaches! Wow! Oh, so beautiful. I wanna go there, I think.
Projects worth 2.8
There's a rain here.
to attach
Oh.
as annex B.
Why? That's
Sir,
AI.
tingnan ito po.
Subsequently, I
Ano ito?
submitted this list
Mechanical
to
problem?
Yusek Golaybar.
Hindi po. May magana kita.
That the commitment is 15%.
Bakit ka ba?
In his words, boss, 15 yan.
Yo!
Always receive a special alarm.
Dapat. Okay, I'll be that.
Absent sa kanyang posisyon sa
Ipadaman sa pag-asa, nag-aktong manulan ang naobserbahan sa Davao Zone upang padulong sa Davao City. Kining ulan, i-concentra sa usa ka punto o sa gulong dali makabugas sa mga building. Kung iho ka direkta, patay ka nimo dayon.
Oh, Filipino
Ihalin
use
sa mayor, ang Dabaoenyo mubagwit sa Digos City sulod sa 48 oras. Ang pag-asa nag-imbestigar sa dugang impormasyon. Davao 在住の皆様、これは緊急放送です。本年ではありません。パガスはダバオ湾で異常な降水
The
量
one
が
one day.
観測され、
That's the point
ダバオ
of
市に向か
Davao
って移動すると予測しています。これらの雨は一定に集中しており、建物を簡単に破壊することに威力があり、直撃すると即死します。
Ah.
市長は全ダバオ市民に対し、48時間以内にディゴス市方面へ避難するよう要請しています。パガーサはこの異常な雨雲に関する詳細情報を入手中です。
That's so strong. At Davao, look. strong because there's so many.
Sus, tahan ko yung kotse. Hindi taga-tagan ko. Ricardo, ano ang mga resulta ng simulation?
Ha? Bariyo
Yung
kayo.
nalilipat ito sa Hilaga sa Metro Manila ng mga po.
Talaga ba? Wow!
Abisuhan ito agad sa gobyerno. Nasib po.
Talaga. PBA na yun. Ano ba yun?
Pinipigilan namin ang programang ito para ipaalam sa iyo ang tungkol
Grabe,
sa isang
red.
emergency notice
Red
mula sa
rainfall na
gobyerno.
yan, guys. That's so
Dineklara ng
rainfall.
gobyerno ang state of emergency dahil inaasahang hahabol sa Metro Manila ang isang ulan na may mapanirang kapangyarihan na kasalukuyang kumikilos panghilaga sa baybayin ng Davao Gulf, Mindanao sa loob ng isang linggo. At
Ay,
tulungan sa evacuation
talaga
sa
ba?
Davao City ay
Wow,
pumatag sa
guys.
mga
That's so
at nananawagan ng
rainy.
gobyerno para sa
Like
itinanghal na
that.
pagtikas ng mga residente sa forecast ban. Kasalukuyang nakikipagtulungan ng gobyerno sa mga dayuhang
Talaga ba?
ahensya upang ikalat ang ulap ng
Wow.
ulan sa lalong madaling panahon.
Rain cloud daw. Sa Japan, parang Japan dyan, no? Japan din yan. Double B. Meron naman sa Japan, sa Philippines, kasi Philippines, ito yung Japan, ito tayo sa Philippines.
We've been to take action tomorrow, Friday, around 10 p.m. And a late cloud will be loaded to Davao City.
Davao City, okay. Ano pala? Abaya.
照準定めました。All prepared. Alright. Beginning in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, wow. Ang laking typhoon yun. Oy, wala nang typhoon dito. Pero pa, hindi po defeated. Ay, sobrang ulan na yun. Ay! 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 Ay!
So binubuhat po ninyo, hindi na transfer po ninyo sa bahay. So dalawang tatlong sasakyan. Ganun po lagi. 17, 18 po na.
Ow! Talaga. Grabe.
Emergency broadcast ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Naglabas na ng evacuation order ang Pangulo para sa buong bansa.
Diba?
Nauna rito, ipinagalan ang lungsod ng Bigos sa lalawigan ng Davao del Sur matapos hindi makayanan ang maulap na ulan. Bagaman isang beses na natunaw ang ulap ng ulan, inaasahang magsanib muli ito at lilipat pa Hilaga sa loob ng humigit kumulang isang linggo habang pinapanatili ang mapanirang kapangyarihan nito. Pakitiyak na mayroon kang sapat na pagkain para sa halos isang linggo at lumikas sa mga kuweba at iba pang malalalim na lugar sa ilalim ng lupa o umalis ng bansa. Patuloy namin gagawin ang lahat ng posible upang harapin ang sitwasyon, mangyaring manatiling kalmado at tiyakin ang kaligtasan ng iyong sarili at ng
No, but... Oh. Tuloy. Air Force. No.
もうダメですね、これ。例の魔術師に頼みましょうもう。取り急ぎもう連絡しましょう。 なんか揺れてます。
Ow! Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Yo, what's that? Huh? Oh? Was that Queen, bro? Let's try all the pizza. That's so tamen. Wait, what's that? Service. What do you mean? Alien daw! Oy! Alien! Aray ko! Alien? Alien ba? Wala naman alien, no? No alien! No alien naman! Talaga. Pagkatama! Oh! Talaga ba? Dilaw. Ay, wow. Pabas. Cavite? Cavite kami nakatira. Ay. No, please. Look that. Uy. Alien. Alien. Ayoko na to. It's so. Okay, that's so. What's this? Watch that.
எனக்கு அருமையான வேலையை கொடுத்தீங்க.
ஒரு வேலை பார்க்கறதுல 7 வேலை பார்க்கிறேன்.
தண்ணி நல்லா நிறைய குடி.
அடே கடைசில
நல்ல வீடியோ எடுக்கிறீங்க.
சக்தில ஆத்மா சுத்தமான நல்லெண்ணெய்.
முன்னாடி போட்டது பின்னாடி போட்டதோட
Yan yung nagluto.
Indian. Ano ba yan?
India.
Alay mo. Sarap naman yung lagay ko lang toppings pa.
And watch guys my video here.
Nagsimula na rin ang paggulan sa Iraq at Altuanes kaya naman todo paghahanda ang ilang residente. May ilang nagsarada ng kanilang tindahan.
I'll say that.
Para hindi pa rin kanila.
He's out tonight, walking around downtown, carrying a gun. You'll fight, you'll die, but you'll see it clear as light. Both sides, you should know the one inside. He's out tonight, walking around downtown, carrying a gun. You'll fight.
Okay, go guys. Okay guys, bye bye.